Have you ever felt like you're not enough? Like the world is moving ahead and you're standing still? That no matter how hard you try, you just don't have what it takes to succeed? We all have that inner voice that whispers doubts. Those moments when failure feels inevitable and fear takes over. But what if I told you that this voice is not your truth? What if you could rewrite the story? Success doesn't come from having every answer. It comes from believing you are capable of finding them, from showing up every single day, even when the path isn't clear. Let's replace that voice of doubt with truth. Say these words with me. I am stronger than I believe. I have the power to grow and learn from every challenge. I release the fear of failure. I trust that every setback is a setup for success. I already have everything I need within me. I am capable of creating the life I desire. My unique journey is unfolding perfectly. I deserve to achieve my dreams. Every small step brings me closer to my goals. I choose progress over perfection. I am resilient in the face of obstacles. The tools I need will come to me when I need them. I am worthy of success. I believe in my ability to succeed. I trust myself to make the right decisions. I am not limited by my past. Every failure is a lesson leading me to greatness. I am inspired and motivated every day. I am grateful for how far I've already come. I am enough, exactly as I am. As you begin to believe these words, you'll feel the shift within you. Each affirmation is a seed planted in your mind, ready to grow into action, confidence, and success. You are equipped with every tool you need to succeed. The journey is yours, and it begins with belief. Every small action, every step forward, is proof that you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Remember, success isn't about having all the answers. It's about trusting yourself to find them. Repeat after me. I am stronger than I believe. I have the power to grow and learn. I already have everything I need within me. Take a deep breath. You are enough. Keep going. You are closer than you think.